Hola, hola, and welcome back to a new WhatSnap tutorial. This is the second video of the series, and in the day of today, we're going to learn on how to connect your first Android device SMS line and start sending messages from it straight from your GHL account. If you haven't seen yet the past video, I would recommend you going through it because we saw the first 3 articles on how to start, how to create your account, how to connect it to your agency, and how to connect your first sub-account, and a few more details that are quite cool. That's why I recommend you jumping back if you haven't seen it yet. And in this video, as I was telling, we're going to drive through this article and we're going to send our first SMS message without needing to be doing all the A to P bureaucracy that we all know. And I will try my best to do it the shortest as I can and in the most detail at the same time, so you don't only see that it's super easy to connect and send your first message, but also getting a bit granular in some type of technical details that can leverage your business and your stability in your infrastructure that you're actually building. Jumping in. After you activated your first WhatSnap account, you have to have an available line slot in your plan. It comes for free on your first account, and in all your accounts that you buy, the first line is for free. And you will need an Android device that I have it here next to me, and a SIM card with an active SMS plan and signal of your cellular. The first step that we'll have to do is jumping to this test account that I have right here without any lines connected. This, we haven't seen it on the last video, and this is how WhatSnap looks inside your sub account. As you can see, it's completely white labeled from your manager view. You can access to this view too, as we were seeing on the previous video. But from here, this is how your end client will see the plugin inside their sub account. The next step is adding your first line. Here you will be able to choose between them. We're going to click on SMS and we're going to go to connect. On this model, we will have to scroll down and click on download the APK package, and we will have to scan this through our Android device or download it through APK if you don't have camera, for example. Kind of weird, but may happen. We open the camera, we will scan this QR code, make sure that you have data and Wi-Fi. We will have to download this app. Just click download. Me, for making it faster, I'm just going to go to files, and inside files, there's Dyna. We will go to downloads and we will click on the app that we just downloaded. We click on install. After installing the app on your Android device, you will just see it on your screen. You will open it and you will go straight to allow, and this will be the UI. Well, yeah, you're seeing it on my screen. You will click on scan QR code. You will allow the app and you will just have to scroll up and scan the QR code. There we are. Let me open this so you also see the screen. Currently scanning it. There it is. Once you scanned it, it will pop up this message on your screen and you will have to just choose Message Sync app as the default SMS app of your Android device. You just click on Set as Default and this screen will appear. Once you do that, guys, you technically can be sending any message from your GHL account to any contact, and if you have your phone turned on and the career plan active, the contact will receive the message immediately, and all the messages that are sent from any contact to this specific phone that we just connected will be received immediately. And when I say immediately, is not only from conversations, also from workflows, any type of automation that you can imagine, even conversations AI native of GHL, and whatever AI provider that you have plugged inside your GHL sub-account. Okay, guys, so after you connected the phone, we are going to send our first message. And what better to message our friend Dyna, that she is actually right next to me, if you can come also, so people can believe that you're not an AI And
I'm not AI, guys. I'm real.
she's real, and she's the best CGO of the planet, guys. So I just text you an SMS. I'm in a demo right now.
Perfect.
So if
Let's take a
we
look.
can show it to the people how it looks.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, look it.
Boom, and okay. There it is. I got it.
To the camera, please.
All right, let's see it. Boom, guys. Can you see and hear?
There.
Boom.
There is perfect. Yeah. So guys, as I was telling you, thank you, Dinah, for the help.
I'm going to text you back.
Okay. As I was telling you guys, it's super easy to connect your phone. It's super easy to start sending messages through GoHighLevel. And right now, I'm going to show you some good practices on actually how to finish your setup to have a stable infrastructure. We already learned connecting the phone is just downloading the app, but we will have some few tips for you to actually have a stable connection 24/7 with your phone. We will have to open our favorite LLM. In my case, I'm going to open Claude, and at the same time, I'm going to show you my Android device that I think I closed it. Boom. And it's here. There we are. So, first of all, we will have to go to General in our device. And I think it's Settings. Yeah, Settings. We will scroll down to see the model of our phone. What I'm going to do with Claude, or your favorite LLM, I need to learn, and you teaching me how to unlock developer mode on my Moto G Play XT2413B, how to unlimit and unrestrict battery, and how to leave the screen 24/7 turned on. Boom. So this is what you should prompt with the model of your phone, because we have to unlock our developer mode on our phone and change and tweak this setting so we have it 24/7 turned on. Here are my proper instructions. I'm going to go to Settings, click a bunch of times over the build number. I already unlocked this before the video. And after unlocking it, enter your PIN. We don't have a PIN. And restrict battery. We are going to battery, settings, battery optimization. Battery optimization. We have the drop down not optimized. We are going to battery saver is off. Great. Adaptive battery. Let's turn it off. And then from developer settings. Okay, battery is already done. And settings, system, developer options. And we have to make sure that we have the stay awake turn on. That will be like the secret sauce to have always your phone turned on. And that's it, guys. Start having fun with your first device connected. Any type of doubt or whatever that you may have, you know that you can always contact our support channel and speak through there or refer to our documentation. So see you in the next video. On our next video is going to get a bit interesting, so check it out and see you on the next one. Bye bye.